Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I know somebody's going to chime in, so that's why I'm going to make this third video to save me the time of doing it later. This is what we want because I converted, if you didn't watch part 2, converted this to an outline. This is what we don't want is because it's going to match up. But let's make duplicates of this box because somebody's going to question it and they're partially right. So this one, if we hit F12, bring up our pen tool, it's in the center of the line, the thickness. If we do that one and hit F12, we'll put that one on the outside of the line. And on this one, we'll put it on the inside of the line. Look at the difference in the boxes. As far as Corel is going to say, it's an 8.82 box. It's all the same box, but the line's on the back. So this is what you don't want. This is what we want. And that's what you definitely don't want when you're trying to do this. Now, the reason I say that is somebody is going to say, well, why don't you just draw the lines where they're like that? It doesn't work on a line, as far as I know. I don't care where you put the line. It's still going to be in the center on a line. So here's what we're doing. Those are running together because they're even a thick line. But here's why you have to convert them to convert outline to an object, because then you get separation of your two bricks or two items. I'm just talking about bricks. So it would work on this, but we're not drawing rectangles. We're drawing lines and curves. So that's why you have to convert them to an outline. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.